friends, and welcome to Edward Grable Studios. I'm Eddie Grable. I just rolled up to school here and I just got another sign from the universe. I wanted to let you guys know, on my way here to school, I decided to put on Pastor Ken's podcast again, and to my delight, his sons have actually picked up the reins and have taken over that podcast. And so on the way here, I listened to both of them, and the second one just ended as soon as I pulled in here. So I think that's a sign. I don't know of what, but I'm gonna pop that up. It's stuff I want to say, mostly for men, and it's about loving the Lord and Jesus and walking in the light. Stuff you should be doing with your life. Don't be living in darkness. Live in the light. We all struggle with that. So I just wanted to give a shout out to them. Go check out that podcast. There's a lot of knowledge to be learned still. A lot of knowledge. I'm gonna go inside now and get started. Class starts in like 8 minutes. So I hope you all have a great week. That's more than 4.
No. Thank you.
Finally got that top one fitted. It's tight. Tight. I'm gonna leave it for now. Move on to my centerpiece.
Glad somebody made this.
Right?
Really stuck behind right now.
Super handy.
Oh, sorry, you're filming on the podcast.
You're alright. I bleeped you out, like, I'm trying to keep it kind of clean, like, we curse and stuff, because we're military, so we pick up the bad habits.
Yes, we do. Take out all that.
I ran a saw, I think, in the last video, like, we said shit or something, and I just ran a saw blade sound where you couldn't even tell.
Good. Thank you.
Nice and tight. Alright, let's get the height.
still really thick. We have a little bit to still bring it down, and that's okay. Alright, now this is how it's sitting. Chunky over here, my tendons are a little crooked. Let's fit it. Alright. Now, I gotta make this last one fit in here, and we should be good. Right there, I'm gonna start there. Mark my way in, get it a bit tight. Thicker than a Snicker. I got a snake up on it. Not by much. Just a little. She's fitting in. That's nice. Hang on, sit here and watch this. This is the only drawer that I'm gonna get in here without having to do anything. Look at that. My woodworking skills are now legendary. I can fit drawer fronts. But I see the flaws in my work. And I'm hard on myself. Not happy. Got her all glued up.
You got a light hole so you can, when you pull out your drawer, you can see what's in it.
Put some LEDs in there. Yeah. Joanne's hard at work over here.
It's hard getting them planed in, let me tell you. It's almost there.
The Romster, how's it going, bud?
What's up, Eddie? First time shebacking?
Okay. That was my first time too. That's good. officially 3 months into this, and the VA still hasn't sent me any tools. Take this over to the table saw.
The other joint is an end grain and on grain. And it's getting wedged apart too, so.
Oh, true that.
Than you think. I want to see if they're strong. I don't think it might be. I'm waiting for me. So I can tell how many shavings you get thicker shavings.
You know what you want to do to start? I'll show you. When you got it set up, start back here where the blade is, right? And then stand here all the way through. If you're doing the patio, you're going to move it only this way and go like this.
It's gotta be like, yeah.
We'll see. You want to do
bad boy.
Length, bud. Trying the width. Nope, about a 96 off.
Still too thick.
A little bit. About 1/96 of an inch. Yep.